You are mistaken if you think that the only way to make money in the metaverse is to invest in Metaverse Cryptocurrencies. Do you know what the Sandbox Metaverse is? Well, it's a metaverse game that allows users to generate money from its platform. And in today's video, I'll show you how to make money in the sandbox. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the YouTube channel that wants to make a difference. The purpose of my YouTube channel is to provide information and explain the most important blockchain, crypto, and NFT topics by combining real news and official website information with in-depth analysis and comparisons, making it easier for you to decide whether to invest in crypto, NFT, or the stock market. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get back into the video. If you're a complete newbie to the sandbox and the metaverse as a whole, then you should definitely check out my video on the Sandbox Explained. But for a brief introduction, the sandbox is a metaverse game in which players can buy land in a virtual world. Users can either build a residence or commercialize this land. In the year 2012, the Sandbox game was introduced for the first time. The game's developers moved the game to the Ethereum blockchain in 2018, and the digital assets created for free in the game were converted to NFTs. Sandbox producers can now earn money by selling their NFTs in the marketplace. Now, how can you make money in the Sandbox Metaverse? The first method to earn money in Sandbox as a creator is by making and selling the digital assets in the Sandbox Marketplace. And if you're new to the Sandbox Metaverse, here's how to make digital assets that you can sell on the Sandbox Marketplace. You must first download the free tool Box Edit in order to produce a digital asset for the Sandbox Metaverse. After you've downloaded it, start it up on your computer and you'll see two sections of the home page: rigging and modeling. If you want to create or export the created character, you need to go to the modeler section. The next step is to export your digital asset to the Sandbox Marketplace after you finished it. To do so, go to the rigger top bar and navigate to the file option. Then click on the export option. This will open a list of menus in front of you. From the list, choose Export to Marketplace, and your NFT will be displayed in the marketplace to be sold. Another way to make money on the sandbox is by making and monetizing games. You can create and monetize games using the Sandbox Game Maker. You don't need to be a game developer or a techie to use the Sandbox Game Maker to start building your own game experiences. It is incredibly easy to use. The only thing you need to have is a creative mind. You'll be able to choose whether you want to start from scratch with an empty themed canvas. Use the templates with assets already built in, and the size of your playable experience when developing your first experience. To make a game in the Sandbox universe, you'll need to download the Game Maker tool. The tool will provide you with a number of game creation possibilities. The advantage is that you may improve the gaming experience by using the digital elements you created in Box Edit. You can also import your game into the Sandbox territory and invite others to play it after it's finished. You also have the right to charge players to play in the game on your land if you want to. This is by far one of the best ways to make money in the sandbox. If you think you've got a creative mind, download the app and show off your abilities in the virtual world. Another way to make money in the sandbox is by renting out your sandbox property. Owners of land will be able to rent their lands to others, including game designers and development studios who missed out on the initial land sales. Once all of the lands have been sold, the demand for lands to be rent will soar as more and more people discover the sandbox and decide they want to publish an experience there. All you have to do is buy land in the sandbox virtual environment and then rent it to someone who is looking for it. Sounds like a fantastic investment opportunity, isn't that so? Landowners have complete control over how much they charge for land parcel rentals. However, they must remain competitive in order for game developers to have an economic motivation to pay rent while monetizing and enhancing their experiences. When pricing land for rent, several aspects must be considered, such as closeness to important partners or social hubs, as well as the size of the land. Nobody will rent your land if it is too expensive for them to earn a profit. Another way of making money from the sandbox is to sell your land. Purchasing land is one of the most difficult things to do in Sandbox because of its rarity. You can purchase it from the Sandbox official website on specific sale days, if you are fortunate enough to obtain the property. You can then sell to others as well. It is advisable to hold on to your land until it has appreciated to a reasonable value before selling it. Although you can make money by the other ways mentioned in this video, selling should be only the last resort. The value of land is determined by various factors, including its closeness to major partners, whether an asset are included in the package, whether anything is developed on the land, and its size. Remember that in order to attract potential buyers, land sellers should conduct market research, remain competitive, and charge a reasonable price. A 5% transaction fee will be charged on the Sandbox's official marketplace, payable in Sand. This fee will be reinvested in the foundation, which is used to support content creators on the platform. If you sell your land through a third-party NFT exchange, such as OpenSea or Rarible, the exchange will charge you a fee as well as gas fee. Another way to make money in the Sandbox is by investing in the Sand token. Sand can be used to purchase digital pieces of land. Sand is presently trading for less than $3, but according to digital coin price, the Sandbox is expected to reach a minimum of $3.44 and peak of $4.06 by the end of the year. They also predict the price of the Sand will reach $13.32 by the end of 2030. The next way we are going to be looking at it is self-promotion ads and affiliate linking. Are you a member of the affiliate program? Are you the owner of a company? Are you a writer? Are you an artist? Then why not expand your reach by using some of your ad space on your own land to advertise yourself to players and visitors who would normally probably not realize your product or service existed. Also, you can invite people and business owners to come and advertise on your property and charge them for it. You can sell valuable advertising space on your land thanks to billboard-like features that let you include links, photos, NFT previews, and video files. Some businesses, such as indie game development studios, may be interested in advertising their business on your land, which you may charge them for depending on the exact location of your land. But you have to make sure that your land is located at a popular place and close to some of the famous areas where people can easily see these advertisements. These are just some of the ways to make money on the Sandbox. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. I really hope to see you again. Continue learning about crypto, NFT, and the stock market.